Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I have some significant information now. So Quebec is gonna come hard on unvaccinated people, those who refuse vaccination without any medical exemption. I'm not gonna go into the ethical point of view, but I'm gonna discuss what they have said because this is gonna be significant because now Quebec is the first province in Canada to implement a very strict measure like this. We never know, considering the high case numbers and rapid growth. Maybe we would see some other provinces going towards the similar approaches. So Quebec, they have said that they are gonna ask. Uh, they are gonna. Uh, those who have not taken the vaccine, they'll be subjected to financial penalty without, like, if they have no medical exemption but still they refuse the vaccine, they are going to be subjected to financial penalties, and it's going to be significant. They haven't described the amount, but that is the case now. So if when it comes to the numbers in Quebec, around 10% of adult Quebecers are not vaccinated, but they represent almost half of the ICU admissions. So that is why the government has brought this measure. So and moreover, not only this, even their vaccination passport system they have expanded. Like, even to enter the liquor and cannabis store, you need to have vaccination, and they may even go further, like mall or personal care saloons. So they may even go further. Now, Quebec already has lot of strict measures like night curfew and some others. So let's see how this turns out to be. So again, like, there's an ethical point of view also in this case, but I won't discuss that because I'm not an expert to comment on anything on the ethical point of view. But this is gonna be hard. Like, this is the first of its kind I have heard in Canada. So let's see what other provinces do. Thanks for watching.